and family and everybody who's watching. We're here right now, still in New York, and right now I'm here in the New York Athletic Club. And this is the fantastic view of the New York Athletic Club. And this is the view of New York City, and this is Central Park. So now, this is dedicated especially to all my kababayans out there, to all those Filipinos and Phil-Amps and whatnot who can understand Tagalog. So I'm gonna shift to Tagalog. Mabuhay! Mabuhay aking mga kababayan. Kasi po, pinagpipilitan po nila akong gumawa ng film na nagsasalita ako ng Tagalog. Feeling ko gusto lang nila marinig ang aking language, ang ating language. So, ngayon, nandito tayo sa New York. And, kakatapos lang ng shoot ko. So, kaya ganito yung itsura ko. Hindi naman ako usually ganito. Kulot ako at may makeup. Pero, ngayon, makikita yung view ng Central Park. Nasa Central Park West tayo. Oh, I mean South. Central Park South. That's the west side. And that's the east side. So, makikita nyo yung view. Sobrang ganda. Ito yung isa sa favorite places ko dito sa New York. And, especially on the northern part, yun yung pinaka gusto kong part sa Central Park. Kasi meron doon parang private lake na sobrang peaceful talaga doon. And, titignan nyo, makikita yung mga buildings ng New York City. Yan. Hindi natin makikita yung Empire State kasi nandun siya sa kabilang side. Pero pwede na rin yan. So, sana nandito din kayo kasi sobrang ganda dito and nag-start na ang fall season and ngayon nakita mo balot na balot ako at sobrang lamig. And alam ko sa Pilipinas, hindi tayo pwedeng magsuot ng mga makakapal na jacket at mga scarf kasi mamumukha tayo mga tanga. So dito, tinitake advantage ko magsuot ng scarf and my boots. Show them my boots. Because I can't wear all this stuff in the Philippines. I would look stupid. So, yan. Yan ang isa sa favorite kong building. Yan ay ang Time Warner Building. I almost forgot. So, sa pinaka-favorite ko, yung Time Warner Building, yung parang Twin Towers dyan. Dyan yung Time Warner Building. And over here, the black one, yan yung Trump Building na super sikat. Yun naman si Donald Trump na sobrang yaman. So, yun yung building niya. And right beside that, yung white building is one of the most expensive buildings here, which is the 15th Central Park West. And sabi nila, dyan daw nakatira usually yung mga stars and celebrities imaginable sa New York. And over there, you can see the lake there. That's Hudson River. And after Hudson River is my favorite New Jersey! Because I live in New Jersey, so that's where I go most of the time. You'll see it there. And right now, you can see the sunset. Show them the sunset. Because in the Philippines, sa Pilipinas po, di ba po, alas 7 na po ng gabi dito, pero sobrang liwanag pa rin. Hindi gaya dito na sa Pilipinas, sa pag alas 7, ang dilim-dilim na. So dito, maliwanag pa rin. Pero ngayon, mag-start na ulit magdilim kasi malapit na mag-winter. Pero fall pa lang. Kaya excited ako mag-fall kasi nakita mo naman na Central Park, kulay red and orange. Medyo nag-orange na yung mga trees, yung mga puno. Kaya mukhang maganda yung season na yung fall. So yun lang. So sana nag-enjoy kayo sa tour ko dito sa New York City, sa rooftop ng New York. Kasi minsan ko lang kayo madadala sa rooftop dahil private access tong New York Athletic Club and hindi naman ako member dito. Ang member dito ay yung taga-Phil-Annex. So, thank you and I hope you enjoy. Till next time!